If you forgot the screen lock password on your Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro and now you cannot unlock your phone, what you can do in order to get the access back is to simply perform the factory reset of the device by going to recovery mode. Unfortunately, you will lose everything that you have on your phone unless you have a backup of the data. But other than that, of course, we will be erasing everything so that we can actually have access back again. So in order to perform the factory reset, first of all, we need to turn off our device. So I'm gonna press the power button and volume up button to open the power menu, and we need to slide up in here to power off the phone. Now, once that happens, we have to press and hold the power button and volume up button until you see the Xiaomi logo. Once you see the Xiaomi logo, you want to hold volume up only. So let's begin. Let's hold power button and volume up. There we go, and now just hold volume up. And now, as you can see, we are in the recovery mode. Over here, we navigate by using volume buttons, and we want to choose the wipe data option, so we want to confirm by pressing the power button, and then over here go to wipe all data. And after that, you should get into the first setup again, and yeah, and you will have to, of course, set up your phone one more time. And this time, of course, we can set up a new password that we want to use on our phone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.